So today we are doing a little project. We are putting our bumper, winch, and some lights on the front of the Tacoma. So check it out. So here is our pile of goodies. We went with the Warren 10,000 pound winch with the synthetic line, body armor bumper, rough country light bar, and these awesome Baja Designs bumper lights. I can't wait to get these in. Okay, the bumper is off. So here's where we're at. The bumper is cut. It's a rough cut right now. Well, I think it's time to load the winch into the bumper and get it on. For now, she's done. Body armor 4x4 front bumper, Baja Designs fog lights, Warren winch. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just see, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the other videos, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Trial by Trail Overland. That's Trial X Trail Overland. Until next time.